Hi everyone, have you ever stared at a candle flame and wondered why does it have different colors? Is it hotter at the top or at the bottom? Well, today we learn about the three zones of a candle flame and what makes each of them special. When a candle burns, the wax melts and turns into vapor. This vapor catches fire and creates the flame. But this flame isn't just one uniform part. It has three zones, each with its own color, temperature, and type of combustion. First is outer zone, that is also known as the blue zone. This is the outermost zone of the flame. It looks blue and is the hottest part of the flame. Why? Because it gets the most oxygen from the air. Here complete combustion happens, which means the fuel or wax vapors burn completely without leaving behind soot. It produces very little light but a lot of heat. So here's a fun fact. This zone is so hot that it can melt metals like a thin copper wire. Next is middle zone or the yellow zone. We also call it luminous zone. This is the brightest part of the flame and gives the candle its glowing light. It appears yellow and is known as the luminous zone. Here, there is incomplete combustion. Not enough oxygen is present to burn the fuel completely. As a result, tiny unburnt carbon particles or soot glow in the heat and produce light. So, here is a tip that this is the part that gives off the most visible light, but it's not the hottest. Let's talk about the innermost zone, that is third zone, and we also call it the dark zone. This is the dark zone or inner zone. It's close to the wick and looks black or dark because it is the coolest part of the flame. Underline. Here, no combustion takes place. Why? Because the wax is just starting to evaporate into vapor. It contains wax vapors that haven't started burning yet. So, here is a quick science note that this zone contains wax vapor, unburnt gases, and no oxygen. So, no flame is formed here. Now, let's quickly recap the three zones of a candle flame. Outer zone, that is blue, hottest, and here complete combustion takes place. Next is middle zone, which is yellow in color and it is the brightest part because incomplete combustion takes place. Third is inner zone, which is dark and coolest because of no combustion. Each zone plays a different role and teaches us how combustion works. Want to try a simple activity? Hold a metal wire or a thin needle through different parts of the flame, of course under adult supervision. You will find the outer zone melts the wire fastest, proving it's the hottest. So, the next time you light a candle, remember, it's not just a flame, it's a mini science lab. Combustion, heat, light, all in one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more science magic. See you in the next video.